welcome back to Rafthelsa Vlogs. I hope you are doing fine. So to all my viewers and subscribers at Rafthelsa Vlogs, I would like to thank everyone for supporting my channel and stay tuned, stay connected, and I will see you in my next vlog. Okay? Hello everyone, welcome back to Rafthelsa Vlogs. This is my vlog for today. I am here right now walking along here in the block. It's already sunny. Sunshine is here because it's summertime now. So the back and the box, I will show you the botanical garden here. The leaves of the trees are already full black, all green. Everywhere is green at this giant tree in the top of the mountain. This area is called the botanical garden. You can find all the different types of trees, different types of leaves. Here's a running water from the top of the mountain. You can see this is a fresh running water from the forest. There is an outlet here, so the water is from the top of the mountain. So let us just take a look at the top. I am alone here walking on the top. As you can see, there are a lot of high trees or tall trees with full of green trees. So let's look around here. The place is very quiet, very peaceful. And now there is the bay of the city of Schomburg. I am standing on the top of the botanical garden, on the top of the forest, and you can see there are beautiful houses over there, and this is the heart of the city center of Schomburg. Schomburg is part of the Black Forest. Black Forest is popularly known, but it is called the Baden-Württemberg, the southwest of Germany. The area is called or popularly known as Black Forest because the area is surrounded with high mountains, thick forest, and this is one of the tourist destinations in Germany. And you can see it's full of green trees. And this is a very beautiful location for our best destination for holiday, especially during the summer. You can see here some beautiful houses, hotels, and the houses there is like a mansion or a castle type. The buildings here are already aged for more than 100 years and more. So on the top you can find the oldest castle here in the Black Forest. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. I am here again looking around. I will show you other parts of the Black Forest. This is the botanical garden. You can see in the backside is the mansion. It is already converted to a hotel and a restaurant. So if you want to go to the Black Forest, you can come in this area and you can check in if you want to look around and take the beautiful surroundings of the Black Forest. Black Forest is one of the best destination for holiday in the summertime, and Germany is one of the biggest country in Europe. And you can find many things here in this region. So if you have not visited to Germany, try to visit, and don't forget to include in your bucket list the Black Forest or the Baden-Württemberg. This area is the Stromberg City. This is right an amphitheater beside. It's like a balcony, and if you are standing here, you can see the beautiful buildings down there. That city or that area is the city center of Stromberg. Very quiet, peaceful place to live here. So if you want to relax, if you want to see the nature, just just try to come in this area, and I'm sure you will love the place. And it's very stress reliever if you are going to stroll around in this area wherein you can find the beauty, the real beauty of the nature. So guys, if you want to see other beauty of the Black Forest, just check out my playlist, and you can find my other vlogs about the Black Forest, especially in other season, because there are 4 seasons here: the winter season, the spring, summer, and autumn. I used to live in this area, so that is why every weekend I have to come up here and I stroll around just to feel fresh air. And now I am here on the top of the, it's like a plaza here, opposite to this highest mountain on the top. So I'm just here relaxing, just a little bit exercise, swimming, just to spend time alone, relaxing. So today it's sunny, so I'm just here, just strolling around, just in 2 minutes, just to relax and see the beauty of the nature. So here is a hanging leaf from this huge tree. I am here standing underneath of this huge tree, just relaxing, nobody here. I am just here alone. It's my privilege to explore in this area alone. Sometimes we need to be alone in order to have freedom, to think, to feel the presence of God, because God is invisible, but through the nature, because nature is one of the God's creation, so you can feel the presence of God here, and you will feel really relaxed and have peace of mind and have peace in your heart. And you want to stay alone, stroll around. Thank you so much for watching my vlog for today. What did you this? And it's going to subscribe.